Out the do not enter way? Yeah, he's going out the welcome way. Yeah, okay. Well, wait. He's going that way? He can't go that way.
No, he's going the right way.
Yeah, he's in a little bit of a predicament. His fault, bro. It's too wide of a... The door's unlocked if you want to go in. If you're bored. I'm just trying to figure out what he's doing. I can't turn. It's too sharp for him. Stinking guy's passing me. He's swerving in between cars. It's right there.
Yeah.
HUZ 7520. Watch, he's gonna gun it now. Look at him. No turn signal, nothing. Idiots. Haha. Oh, look at that. It's a red light. I don't know what he thinks he's doing. He's trying to get a head start. Didn't get that far. See, he's going in between cars and stuff to get only maybe like a one car ahead. And he's at the same place. Well, not the same place, but I got there at the same time. It's a 30 through here anyways. It's town speed limit. Just a turn there. Really? It's not even a hospital. I think he's trying to... Maybe he's late for class or something.
No, I think he's just using the side roads as a...
No, he's still got to pay attention to the stoplights.